Kennedy from Our Friendly World, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet a magic circle. A magic circle is used oftentimes to start projects that are worked in the round. So for example, coasters, baskets, or hats that you're making out of circles, or you'll use this a lot of times too in crocheting amigurumi and stuffed animals. Let's get started. To start your magic circle, you'll need your yarn tail and leave a couple inches. Using 2 fingers, wrap your yarn over your fingers once and twice. On the second wrap, you'll cross the yarn over backward, back toward your hand over the first piece of yarn that was wrapped. Now using your hook, go underneath the right piece of yarn and grab the left piece of yarn, pulling it underneath that first piece. Now you want to yarn over and grab the remaining left piece of yarn. So again, this piece that's sticking back toward my hand, I'm grabbing that with my hook. Here I remove my fingers gently and I help my yarn move through, pulling the first piece of yarn through the loop that's already on my hook. Now, since I'm left-handed, I move my hook to my left hand. You'll see that you have a large loop here, and you have your tail left, and you have your working yarn. Make sure you don't start crocheting with the tail. You always want to be working with the working yarn. So this big loop here is what we'll be working into to make our magic circle. Every pattern is a little different, but for example, if your pattern says 6 single crochet into a magic circle, this is where you'll be making your single crochet. If you're not sure how to do that stitch, you can check out some of my other videos, but I'm going to use it as an example here to show you how to use the magic circle and start crocheting in the round. To make your single crochet, you'll insert your hook into the magic loop, yarn over with your working yarn, and pull up a loop. Now yarn over with your working yarn and pull through both loops on the hook. There's your first single crochet. Let's make a few more. Insert into the magic circle, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. Now I've made 2 single crochet. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here are my 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that I have my 6 stitches made, I'm going to pull on my yarn tail gently and slowly to close up my magic loop or magic circle. I like to keep my thumb and pointer finger up by the top to help push it along, but I'm just pulling on my yarn tail here, and the center of my circle is slowly closing up. So now you can see my 6 stitches are a lot closer together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my first one got tightened in here a little bit. There's 6. I won't go into increasing and decreasing today, but I wanted to make sure you guys had a chance to see how to start your magic circle and start your crochet in the round projects. Thanks for watching.